everyone, it's me back. I'm Alex. So right now we're in the car again. It's like warm. Go outside. Look at that. That's kind of cool outside. Dint, 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 dint. So tomorrow I will go to school. Yeah. So right now I'm going to pick up my mom. Yeah, I go myself. Yeah. So house cutting. Dun 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 dun. Alan Paul. Yeah. So I'm swag. I want to press a button. Boop. And this is a trigger. By here. This is a trigger. And this is button. I can reach. So we eat here. Yeah. We know. It's going to be cool. Cool morning. Oh. Okay. And now we here.
We had 6 of the 9 winners this afternoon out at Santa Anita. Up on our blog, KOST1035.com. Type in my name, Ted. We're on the fun from Coast 103.5. Here's Elton John.
And this is different chick. This one is whoa. That's kind of scared me. This one a different trigger. This one a different trigger. Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of different. Yep, yeah. So it looks like with your yeah. So oh, the buttons is right here. It goes right here and right here. Hold on. So let's see how this. Ooh, double light. It's kind of cool buttons. And the back. No, right here. Ooh, press the button and swipe up. Ooh. Wow, Yeah. I said if it's start, I could saw moving. Yeah, I gotta. Yeah, got it. Unlocked. And just get the higher this. There we go. Ooh. So please like and subscribe to me, and then give me a bell for post notifications on situation. Peace out, guys.